Right, I'm gonna show y'all how to use an iPad like to produce and make a beat straight up to monetize. So let's kick it. Go right into it. You make the beat, record the song on your favorite app. Mine's GarageBand, and one of the easiest to use as you could just move your loops around and all that. After that, you save the song, export it, share the song in your favorite format. For mastering, mine is the uncompressed wave. That just works for me. I share it into a folder in the iPad, and then it's in there. After that, you can see that's all set up in there, and it's already saved. Good thing is you got a mastering app on the iPad. That's what I do. Launch Audio Master app. That's the Audio Master app. You import your songs, and bingo. Just put in that song you just saved in that folder, and now you can start to master, as you can see. And it's pretty cool. You got to toggle with all the switches, and you could do it on your own. As you can see, move all them switches all around. And or you could actually flip it, and if you don't want to toggle, use all that, just use the presets that I'll be showing you in a little bit right here. You can always reset it, but here are the presets in the app, different kinds: pop, rock, hip hop, all that stuff. So after that, export the song. Now it's in your favorite piece of action to your ears, and it's all good. You export it, export the master track into the folder, and save it into also a folder on the iPad. And now you're on your way because you got your track. You go. There you go. Now, launch SoundCloud. Everybody's got to have a SoundCloud account. So go on SoundCloud, upload the master track on SoundCloud. And if you have a pro account, I'll tell you about that. But now here you go. When you upload your track, you add your artwork, all that stuff, and you're on your way to publishing your music and putting it out there for the world. And it's uploading now. Pretty cool. And so I'm showing you how I did this with Solemn. And now you go to the Repost Network by SoundCloud. Sign in with the same credentials. I have a SoundCloud Pro account, but you may have to pay, as you see. So got too many ways to distribute, as you can see. Upload the track over there, create the track. And once you do that, it gets in there. You put all the information there, and you get to pick all these guys. You have all these options to distribute: Apple Music, Tidal, TikTok, YouTube. It's like options galore, man. So you don't have to go on TikTok and use somebody else's music. You could do this and use your own music and get monetized, as you can see, and have people dance to your music. That's the lick. And so that's how you do it. And with that, you could be on iTunes right from the iPad. And you can also monetize on SoundCloud. Like, so these are streams on SoundCloud that people pay to listen to your streams on SoundCloud, so you might want to take advantage of that. So after that, a few hours or days, go look for that track, one of the streamers. This one's called Solemn. Search it, find it, and it's right there automatically, man. And just like that, voila, you can start to monetize. So you see all these studios and all that stuff. It's pretty cool, but just know that for good music, you can make it anywhere. All you need, a smart tablet, a phone, headphones with a mic, and ultimately, most importantly, you, because you're the one who's going to make the difference. All the best, man. Just like, share, subscribe.